All right, YouTubers, welcome back. It's Saturday morning. We're on to our first oil change of the day. And this customer actually wound up following the maintenance counter on this vehicle. It says there's 10% oil life on this vehicle. It's a Honda CR-V. This is a 2015 time and chain VCT rattle on start. Let's go through it. So let me get the mileage up. Let's see, 128,712 on the clock. They were supposed to return. This is my sticker. At 126. So 126 is when they were supposed to return. And they're 128.7. So 7, 8, 2,000 miles over to 3,000 mile oil change. And there's no oil on the stick. Now, how low is the oil? I really don't know. All I can tell you is there's so many people out there trusting their maintenance counter oil life indicator, and that's just not what you should be doing. And we did this. I'm going to do this every day that we do an oil change or I check someone's oil. We're not embarrassing these people. We're trying to save their life and trying to save their bank account from, you know, getting whacked for an engine or have to go buy a new car because they weren't paying attention to the oil life. So let's go through it.
Read that. It was in May.
For this car?
Yeah.
So I just pulled the stick and it looks brand new. Ready? So I'm going to stick it in the hole. We didn't do anything. I just pulled this car in. There's nothing. Maybe a little bit of moisture at the bottom of the dipstick tube. So that's not good. April has some notes here from their last invoice when it was here. What does it say?
You used Restore and Protect in May.
I know, but they went 5,000 miles and never came back.
But you wrote, right, that's what I'm saying, but you wrote 3,000. So I don't know why.
And they went 2,000 miles
Right.
past. So we warned this customer, what was the date?
May 28th.
May 28th to at least change the oil at 3,000 miles, and they completely ignored us. So we're just gonna have to tell them again. You know, it usually takes you 7 times to tell the average person who doesn't listen before they actually listen to you.
That's not true.
And maybe a blown up engine, they would listen to it. But here's the problem. The habit and behavior is already imprinted. So if they buy a new car, they're gonna do the same shit to the same car because the maintenance counters aren't telling the customers the actual things that are going on in the engine. They're just saying you have 40% oil life left. And just like the last Honda, there wasn't 40% oil in the vehicle. And like this Honda, there's absolutely nothing reading on the stick in 5,000 miles. So, yeah, hopefully they appreciate us more as advisors here. Thanks for watching.